It was so hard to get like actually up. Look at that. All right, let's try to see if Phillips break. Didn't break. He wants to go for it though. I'm gonna try something real quick. Buddy, what are you doing, silly? Where's the Yankee? I'm trying to pick it up. I want to show y'all how hard it is to pick it up. This is hard to pick up. Alright. Make sure I'm gonna push it forward so y'all can see me. So this is a big ass thing, big ass tree. Kirk. Alright. Oh, God, that's hard.